In this code, the trick pin of ultrasonic sensor is connected to digital pin number 9 on Arduino Nano, and echo pin of ultrasonic sensor to digital pin number 10 on Arduino Nano, and buzzer pin to digital pin number 8 on Arduino Nano. Direction distance centimeter. This means that at how much distance would the doorbell ring. Here I have set it to 10 centimeter. You can change this for 15 to 20. The last is 200. And the trig is output, echo pin as input, and buzzer pin as output in setup mode. And here is the buzzers, how would it ring. There are different modes for buzzer. There is a small delay to stabilize the readings and avoid rapid checks. Compile the sketch. After compiling, hit the upload button. I have not selected the compound. And hit the upload button. After uploading, remove your Arduino Nano from your PC or laptop. Now take a breadboard, Arduino Nano, and mount it to breadboard. Now take buzzer and mount it to breadboard. Now take ultrasonic sensor and mount it to breadboard, as I am showing here. Now take male to male jumper wires. Please hit the like button, subscribe, and bell icon. Connect the ground to pin of ultrasonic sensor to ground of Arduino Uno. You can see in the left side the circuit diagram. The circuit diagram and the code will be provided in the description. Now connect the positive pin of buzzer to digital pin number 8 on Nano. Here is the circuit diagram. And now connect the echo pin of ultrasonic sensor to pin number 9 on Arduino Nano, and a trick pin to digital pin number 9, and VCC of ultrasonic sensor to 5V pin on Nano. hit the like button, subscribe. Here is a circuit diagram. You can take a screenshot and complete the circuit diagram. Power cable to Arduino Nano or the data cable to Nano. As you can see, if I place a hand, it rings. You can place this Arduino Nano outside of the door. Only when I place the hand near it, it would ring. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe for more videos.